Black Friday is right around the corner, and we wanted to make a little bit of a different video to kind of show you some of the things we're doing to make sure your orders are going out efficiently and correctly, so we can reduce support tickets, all that kind of stuff. The first thing I want to mention is that Hex Plus members will get access to the Black Friday discount early. So if you are a Hex member, you get access a couple days early, and if you're not a Hex member, I would highly recommend you sign up. First thing I want to show you guys is the new packing stations. So we swapped over to a new system where basically packers will pack the entire order, they can print a label, they can ship it all at one station. So we were able to kind of staff up a little bit on packers. So that's a huge efficiency right there. We'll keep walking through. You can see we have an order already picked right here, ready to be packed. The second thing that we've done is significantly increased the amount of stock we're holding in the warehouse. So you can see the shelves are pretty full. We have polishers, we've got power cord reels, hose reels, Griot's foam cannon hoses, just significantly more stock than we usually have. So everything should be add to cart. It should go ship out. We're really trying to minimize the RYS things that we have. Another thing that we've been doing is pre-taping, pre-wrapping bottles. Everything is ready to go. So pretty much all we have to do is grab it, throw it in a box, and ship it out. This is something that we do that not a lot of other people do, which is taping things, making sure it gets to you in one piece. That of course reduces the chance of things breaking. It reduces support tickets, so we have less things kind of coming back and going out. So that's a really good thing. One more thing worth mentioning, pressure washers. So if you didn't know from some of our other videos, 1122s are going to be on sale in addition to the Black Friday sale. So I think they're $127 off across the board, but you can apply the Black Friday discount on top of that. So if you need to get one of those, right now is absolutely the time to do that. So there you have it. That's pretty much everything that we're doing to make sure your orders go out as fast as possible. I think this year is going to be a breeze for us. I think we're going to get things out really efficiently. And again, Hex Plus members get priority. They get access a couple days early. So if you're not signed up, that's something you're really going to want to do.